Woman arrested for stabbing ex-boyfriend to death. People, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. A woman is now in police custody in connection with the stabbing death of her ex-boyfriend, who is also the father of her child, during a domestic dispute on Wednesday. The police have identified the slain man as Marvin Watson, 36, also known as Spread Out, a jockey who resided in Waterford, Portmore, St. Catherine. The woman's name is being withheld. The police corporate communication unit reports that Watson and the woman got into an argument and he was stabbed. He later succumbed to his injuries. According to reports, Watson became irate after he went home and saw his child's mother in the living room on her cell phone. The woman had reportedly gone to assist his aunt. It is reported that Watson grabbed the cell phone, threw it to the ground, and stomped on it before he began shouting at her ex-lover. The woman, in a bid to escape, ran to the kitchen but was followed by an enraged Watson who was armed with a machete. Police sources said she reportedly grabbed a knife from the kitchen and ran to an adjacent bedroom with Watson in pursuit. It's alleged that the 26-year-old woman used the knife to stab Watson to the left side of the neck and the left hand. He ran from the house and collapsed on a sidewalk before he was pronounced dead at the hospital. Relatives told cops that he had been abusing the woman for years. I guess that's self-defense. People, if someone is coming at you with a machete, what you gonna do? What are you going to do if somebody run after you with a machete? You have to protect yourself. If the story went like this, there is nothing to investigate. She protected herself, and that's all you can do. You live to tell the tale of what happened. Machete and a knife. I guess the woman with the knife won this round. But people, as me say, you have to know what you not doing in a relationship. If the relationship now work out, you need to move on. It doesn't make sense stay in an abusive relationship and then the outcome is going to be this. But as me say, she protected herself very well because he's not here. He attacked her with a machete. She grabbed a knife. Once I get more information on this story, people, I will keep you guys updated on this one, alright? Much love and appreciation.